it's back. And it is sharp. And good thing, because I desperately need to mow the front yard. Let me show you. So yes, I did pick up my Greensmaster from being sharpened today. Also had a couple of belts replaced on it. A couple of the drive belts were just shot. It got to a point where I kind of had to rock the mower to get it to go forward, and yeah, they said the belts were pretty shot, so they replaced them for me, and it is freshly sharpened. So it's been about a week or so, and you can definitely tell the lawn is very overgrown. It's about inch and a quarter, maybe even pushing that in some places too. Definitely growing. So I think a double cut is in order, and we'll see what it's like to cut with a freshly sharpened reel and bed knife. Here we go. Okay, so first thing I want to do before I go ahead and mow is just make sure that the reel to bed knife is clean and cutting paper. They did set the height of cut for me, but in transit things could get knocked out, so I just want to make sure everything is okay. And it does seem pretty high across the whole way here. It's pretty high. It's not cutting, so it's got to be brought down lower. So 5/8 up here to adjust the reel to bed knife. Let's give it a click on each side. Let's see what it does. That was a click clockwise, and that is better. Yes. That is beautiful. Except over here is a little light. So we'll do one more click on this side to the clockwise. See what we get. Good. And over here, a little light. Not cutting there, so one more click on this side. There we go, and I think this should be money. Nope. Not quite yet. One more click. There we go. We're getting there. Nope. This is probably one of the more tedious things about having a reel mower, is making sure that you have things like this squared away. But I think we got it now. And we're in business. We're ready to go. All right now, buddy, I gotta mow. Gotta mow. Oh, it feels so good. It feels so much better. Man, I needed that. Going a week during the middle of the spring without mowing your lawn, not the best time to get it sharpened, but they were pretty backed up, so I had to wait, and they could fit me in, so I took the opportunity, and I'm glad I did. That mower seriously feels brand new. But yeah, that was very overgrown. Man, it just feels so good. I want to lay in this grass all night long. But the neighborhood has definitely heard the call of the adult peer pressure, the sound of the mower. That neighbor is mowing over there, and that neighbor is mowing over there. So, kind of fun when that happens. I love the sound of a lawnmower. I think I'm gonna mow the backyard now. I'm not gonna film that. I think that's enough for today. Very excited to have my mower back, and should be back out here again in a couple days doing it all again. So definitely, if you have a Greensmaster or a real mower, take some time, look up a local golf shop or a turf shop and see if they offer the service on the reels and get it done. If you need any service, find a local dealer or somebody. They'll get you in touch with the right person, or they might offer it themselves, but definitely worth having that done. Like I said, the mower feels brand new, and it feels great. So definitely looking forward to the next mow with it. And yeah, the grass is really lighting up right now. It just looks awesome. It feels awesome. This is what I wait all winter for. So I'm definitely gonna enjoy it as much as possible, and yeah, look forward to the next one. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you are. And there's gonna be a lot of fun things happening in the very near future. We're coming up on 10,000 subscribers, which is just nuts. Thinking about putting a little giveaway together, so if you're not already subscribed, please do, and look out for that. I'm not gonna do a giveaway video announcement, big deal like I did when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm not doing that. It's only gonna be for people who actually watch the videos and who are actually subscribed. It's you guys that make it possible, and it's you guys I want to give back to. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.